Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nodejs Stripe. Today we are going to learn about how to do the payments with that customer with the payment ID. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the make payment API. We have created make payment. So this is the amount in dollar. Okay, USD, this is my payment method ID which we have created in the last video. You have to just check it out. Okay, confirm true. Customer ID is there, and this is the return URL. Okay, and it will return the payment intent. Okay, let's save this and run this one. Okay, so here we go with that one. So make something 20 over here, so we will get to know about that how much the payment would be. Okay, control C, run this. Okay, and let's send this payment. So this is payment intent. Okay, we have get the ID, right? So let's have a look on that one. We have a payments. Previous it's 10. Let's reload this one. And we have already the ID of that one. Okay, the payment ID. Let's search it out also on the same note. So here we go with that one. This is the description ID. Okay, you can see that, but the process is incomplete. Let's see what is exactly it is. But the payment method of that is 20 is there. Okay, payment intent 3D secure in attempt incomplete. The card holder began 3D secure authentication but has not completed it. Okay, payment started. So this is that reason. And here we have the all the things and the CVC check metadata. Okay, all activity that requires to take an action in order to complete the payment. This for 20 you requires to take an action in order to complete the payment. Okay, here we have all the details. Okay, and this is live mode false, right? So the payment request to create the payment intent is completed. Okay, next step we have to charge that one. Okay, once it is payment request is there, payment intent is there, after that we have to charge that amount from that account. Okay, in the next video we are going to do that one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.